Hello everyone, today's topic is blood and its composition and the function of the blood. I will discuss all the topics in details. If you like the video, please like and comment, and please subscribe my channel. Let's start. In the contents, we will discuss about the introduction of blood, the properties of blood, the composition of blood, then the types of blood cells, plasma, composition of plasma, and the function of blood. First of all, what is blood? Blood is a fluid connective tissue that consists of plasma, blood cell, and platelet, and performs several important body functions. So, in a short definition, blood is called fluid connective tissue. It's called connective tissue because it can connect between two organs. It is also called fluid of life because it carries oxygen from lung to the all parts of the body, and carbon dioxide are collected from all parts of the body to lung. And then it is also called fluid of growth because it carries nutritive substance from digestive tract or GI tract absorbed by GI tract, and hormone from endocrine gland to the all parts of the tissue, and help in the development of the body and growth of the cell. And blood is also called fluid of health because it protects the body against the infective agents and remove the waste product through the excretory organ like kidney and skin. Coming to the next slide, properties of blood. Properties of blood are their colors, volume, pH, specific gravity, etc. First of all, color. The blood color is red, we all know that, but the arterial blood is scarlet red due to the presence of the oxygen in the artery, and venous blood is the red, purple red, due to the presence of carbon dioxide in our vein. Volume. Average volume of blood is 5 liter in the adult male and 4.5 liter in case of female, and in the newborn baby it is 450 ml. Then in the pH, the blood pH is 7.4, that is slightly alkaline. Then specific gravity of total blood is 1.052 to 1.061. And other properties are blood make 80% of our body weight. It is a 5 times more viscous than water. It has a salty metallic taste. Composition of blood. Whole blood. Whole blood we can divide it into two types. One is cell or formed element, and another one is plasma. In the plasma topic we will discuss in another slide. Then the cells. There are three types of cell: erythrocyte or red blood cell, platelets or thrombocytes, leukocyte or WBC, white blood cell. We can divide the leukocyte into two types: granulocyte, which have granules, and agranulocyte, which don't have granules. There are three types of granulocyte WBC cell: one neutrophil, two basophil, three eosinophil, and two type of the agranulocyte cell: one monocyte, two lymphocyte. In this picture, the composition of whole blood. After the centrifuge of the whole blood, we can find three parts of the blood. In the below, there is red blood cell. It is present in the below due to their heavy weight. It is about 41%. And in the upper position of the red blood cell, there is present white blood cell and platelets. It is about 4%. It is also called Buffy coat. And in the upper position, there is a yellowish liquid portion. Is called the plasma. It is about 55%. Types of cell. There are mainly three types of the cell: erythrocyte, leukocyte, and thrombocyte. First, erythrocyte. It is also called red blood cell due to the color of the cell, and it is a biconcave in the shape. You can see in this picture, this is a biconcave shape, and the middle of the RBC there is a thin, and the side of the RBC there is a thick. In the RBC there is no nucleus present in the human body. RBC contains the iron-rich protein called hemoglobin that transport oxygen from lung to the various tissues and body parts. And the important point is its normal range. Its normal range is 4.3 to 5.9 million per cubic millimeter for male, 3.5 to 5.5 million per cubic millimeter for female. You must practice and draw this picture in your examination. Leukocyte. It is also called white blood cell. It is colorless because there is no hemoglobin present. Leukocytes play an important role in the defense of the body. Its normal range is 4,500 to 11,000 per cubic millimeter. It can be classified into two types based on the presence or absence of the granules. It is granulocyte and agranulocyte. Granulocyte cell include eosinophil, basophil and neutrophil. In this picture you can see there is small dots. It's called granules. That is present on eosinophil, basophil and neutrophil, but not present in the monocyte and lymphocyte. So granulocyte cells include monocyte and lymphocyte. In the last point, it is important point, please note down it. Monocyte is the largest and lymphocyte is the smallest cell in WBC. Thrombocyte. It also known as platelet. Thrombocytes are the specialized blood cell produced from bone marrow. It helps in the clotting and coagulation of blood. And in important point, its normal range is 1,50,000 to 4,50,000 per microliter. There two images are shown. One is a 3D image and another is a microscopic view. The small dots that is indicate with a arrow mark, it is a platelet, and in the 3D image there is the whitish cells that is called platelet. Plasma. It is a straw colored liquid part of the blood. In the whole blood, there is present 55% of plasma of water and 8 to 9% of the solid. The solid are organic and inorganic substance. It consists of salt, nutrients, water, and enzymes. Composition of plasma. Plasma can be divided into three parts. The solid parts 7 to 8%, water 92 to 93%, and the gases. There is present oxygen, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen gases. And the solid portion there is present in two types that can divided into two types, organic and inorganic substance. Inorganic substance include sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, bicarbonate, chloride, phosphate, iodide, copper, iron, etc. And in the organic portion there is present plasma protein that include albumin, globulin, fibrinogen. It is an important protein for our body. Two amino acid, two types, essential and non-essential amino acid, carbohydrates, glucose, fats like triglyceride, cholesterol, phospholipids, internal secretion like hormones, enzymes, some enzymes like amylase, protease, lipase, and non-protein nitrogenous substance like amino acid, creatinine, urea, uric acid, and antibodies. In the last point, the function of the blood. There is a lot of function of the blood in our body, like nutritive function, excretory function, homeostasis, defensive function, respiratory function, and transport hormones and nutrients. Function of blood. One, nutritive function. Nutritive function like glucose, amino acid, lipid, vitamins are absorbed from gastrointestinal tract or GI tract and then carried by the blood to the tissue for the production of energy. 2. Transport hormones and nutrients. Blood transport hormones and nutrients to their targeted organs and tissues. 3. Homeostasis. Blood helps to maintain homeostasis or internal body temperature by absorbing or releasing the temperature. Excretory function. Blood removes the metabolic waste products that is produced by the by different metabolic reaction, though the excretory organs and like kidney, skin. 5. Respiratory function. Blood hemoglobin carries oxygen from lung to the tissue and carbon dioxide from tissue to the lung and removed from the body. 6. Defensive function. WBC plays an important role in the immune system of the body by phagocytosis or detoxification mechanism. Thank you everyone. If you like this video, please like, subscribe my channel, and comment if there is any question or any doubt.